Hello aspirants, welcome to Baba's Educations. Today I'll be discussing about ancient history of Odisha. Some MCQ questions about ancient history in Odisha. Those are the relevance about OPSC and UPSC questions also. Basically for the OPSC in ancient history. Let's starting about question number 1. Who took away the image of Jinnah from Kalinga? The four options are occurred in these questions. 1. Setupadma, Padmananda, Kharavela, Padmananda. The four options are in their questions. But who to give a? Sir, one may be Mahapadmananda is the right answer. So Mahapadmananda is the right answer from these questions. Then shifted to question number 2. Where it is East India Company first set up their factory of Odisha. The English East India Company set up their company. The four options are called A. Dhamra, B. Paradip, C. Baleswar, D. Harispur. Exact answer is this East India Company established their factory startingly in Harispur. Okay. Then shifted to question number as the founder of Sanatan Mahima Dharma. Sanatan Mahima Dharma or Mahima religion of Odisha. The Mahima Gosai in Dhakanal. The right answer is Bhimo Bhoi. No, Bhimo Bhoi is not the correct answer. Mahima Swami. Yes, Mahima Swami is the right answer. Vishwanath Baba. No. Jagannath Das. No. The Mahima Swami. Option number B is the right answer. Then come to question number 4. Which of the following is known as Peace Pagoda of Odisha? Everyone known about the Peace Pagoda. Who was the Peace Pagoda? Then in question number 4, the Peace Pagoda. The four options are called A. Dhauligiri, B. Lalitgiri, C. Udaygiri, D. Khandagiri. Peace Pagoda is always the Dhauligiri. Dhauligiri is the known as Peace Pagoda. So, answer number A is the right answer. Question number 4, A is the right answer. Then shifted to question number 5. In the King Kharavela works mentioned in which of the following caves inscription of Odisha? In Kharavela King's work are mentioned in which caves? A. Rani Gumpha, B. Hathi Gumpha, C. Bhaigra Gumpha, D. Ananta Gumpha. Right answer is option number B. Hathi Gumpha. The inscription of King Kharavela are found in the caves of Hathi Gumpha. Then come to question number 6. In 7th century, Chinese traveler Huan Tasang visited which of the following Buddhist site in Odisha? Huan Tasang. Huan Tasang is a Chinese traveler. Huan Tasang visited. There are four places in answer A. Lalitgiri, B. Ratnagiri, C. Udaygiri, D. Puspagiri. The right answer is that D. Puspagiri. In 7th century, you must be know about that the question what should asked in exams. So exactly followed about what should she ask in question. What should ask? Main stanza of the question is what should she asked about the question. Huentasan in 7th century. So right answer is option number D. Puspagiri is the right answer. Then come to question number 7. Odisha state is located in which part of the India? Everyone known about that which part in Indian map. Samplical map about the Indian side is Odisha is presented. It's a sample map, nothing about in my artwork. Okay. The four option western, eastern, northern, and southern. Everyone known about is the eastern part, and that is the western, is the northern part, that is the southern part. So it is right for the eastern part. The option number B is the right answer of the question. Okay. Then come to question number 8. Which of the following neighbor state or boundary share with Odisha? Which states? This question is easy to throw out. This is not a heavy questions. So question number A is located for Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh. And question B, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Telangana. Jharkhand, then question answer C, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Bihar. D, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Bihar. Maximally in eastern side is Bay of Bengal is present, then western side is Chhattisgarh present, then northern side is West Bengal and Jharkhand present, and Andhra is the southern part of the Odisha present. So right answer is option A. Question by option A. Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, and Andhra Pradesh is the neighbor state of Odisha state. Okay. Then come to question number 9. Which part of Odisha rule over by the Saulavas? Which part? Saulavas are the ruled by which part in Odisha? So the given eastern part, western part, northern part, and southern part. The four options. So the southern part in Andhra and Telangana side, the Saulavas are ruled over there. Come to question number 10. Who established the Gupta dynasty of Odisha? In Odisha, who was established by Gupta dynasty? A. Prataprudra Deva, B. Kapilendra Deva, C. Purushottam Deva, and D. Narasingha Deva. The right answer is Kapilendra Deva. Kapilendra Deva is established by Gajapati dynasty, the Gajapati king of Odisha, Kapilendra Deva. Okay. Then come to question number 11. The Narendra tank or the Narendra Pakhari in Puri, built by Kapilendra Deva in the memory of this. The options are Narendra Deva, Purushottam Deva, Prataprudra Deva, Hambir Deva. The answer is Narendra Deva. Narendra Deva is known as to build by a Narendra Pakhari. Narendra Pakhari and Narendra tank. Okay. So the 11 number, option number A, Narendra Deva is the right answer. Come to question number 12. Who is among the following is known as Bhaumokhara kingdom? Bhaumokhara kingdom is known as which king? Bhaumokharas. Bhaumokharas, the Bhaumokhara kingdoms. Kosala, Kolingo, Tosali, Odro. Okay, the right answer is Tosali, option number C. Tosali is the time of Bhaumokara kingdom. Odisha is known as the Tosali. Tosali is known as Bhaumokara's kingdom. Okay. Then come to question number 13. The capital city of Bhaumokharas was located on the bank of which river? In which river side, the which river bank, the Bhaumokharas city or kingdoms are present? Bhaumokharas kingdom. The four option Brahmani, Baitarani, Suvarnarekha, Salandi. The right answer is 30 B. Baitarani river. Okay. Come to question number 14. Chodaganga Deva was faith in which religion? Which religion Chodaganga Deva is belief or faith? Vaishnavit, Sabhit, Buddhist, and Jain. So right answer is Sabhit. What is Sabhit? Sabhit means Vaishnavas means the faith or beliefs with Vishnu God, Lord Vishnu, and Saivit means the belief of Shiva. So the right answer is option B. Chodaganga Deva is believed is a Saivit who believe about and faith about Lord Shiva. Okay. Then come to question number 15. Joyadeva's Gita Govinda. Joyadeva's Gita Govinda was written during which dynasty? Which dynasty at the time Jayadeva Gita Govinda was written by? Ganga dynasty, Samavanshi dynasty, Bhomakaras and Suryavamsis. The four options are given at the time. So which dynasty time? The right answer is Ganga dynasty time. At the time of Ganga dynasty, the Jayadeva's Gita Govinda was written. Then come to question number 16. Who was the court poet of King Narasimha Deva? Court poets of Narasimha Deva. Who? Jagannath Das, Kalidas, Balaram Das, Vidyadhara. The right answer is Vidyadhara. Vidyadhara is the court poet of King Narasimha Deva. Okay. Okay. Then come to question number 70. The famous Sanskrit drama Prosurama Vijay was written by whom? Who was written by or written by Parshurama Vijaya, Kapilendra Deva, Purushottam Deva, Prataprudra Deva, Mahapadma Nanda. 70. The right answer is Kapilendra Deva. Option A is the right answer. Then come to question number 8. Who built a Kodam Rasun in Cuttack, Odisha? Kadam Rasu who was built? Alivardi Khan, Shahauddin Muhammad Khan, Muhammad Taqi Khan, Kultu Saha. Kulut Saha, okay. The right answer is option number B. Shujaddin Muhammad Khan is the right answer. Was Kodam Rasun in Cuttack, Odisha is built by. Then come to question number 19. Who was the first Muslim ruler of Odisha? Which ruler is the first Muslim ruler in Odisha? Muhammad Syed Kutubuddin Aibak, Sulaman Karani, Kultu Khan Lohani. Okay. In 19, the right answer is Suleimani Karani. Suleimani Karani is the first Muslim ruler in Odisha. Then the 19th question is completed in a PSC. It's a short time period of preparation in to take over of the all the aspirants. So thank you everybody to watching this. I give to try my best. Okay, thank you so much. And like it whenever you anything become be curious and anything should be liking about this video, please comment us and like, share and subscribe. Thank you.